Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
If you're new here,
my name is Betty.
I'm Tyler.
And we are on a family vacation as usual. So we'll take you guys with us with what we're doing. It's just kind of a lot of family time, a lot of camping, a lot of everything.
And it's gonna be fun. And we brought some celebrities with us.
We brought our celebrities there.
Oh yeah.
They didn't even go far. And our camper is over there. So we'll show you guys what we're doing this weekend. And remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Hello guys.
Hey, we finally woke up today.
You guys love this? You guys love this campsite?
Look at the view.
It's pretty. It's very pretty.
Instead of just recording the highlights, we cannot show people everything.
Woo! Good job, Betty.
Betty.
Oh no! So we're asking.
Huh?
What?
Ooh,
Whether this
look
is
at
the
this beautiful day. Look at the clouds. Yeah, we don't know. There might be a beach here, there might not, but either way, we have a beautiful river here and a bunch of aquatic sports. And oh yeah, Julia really loves the paddle boats. Show the.
Look, show them the little yellow ducky. That's
Show
what I
them
want.
the yeah.
There's a nice park bench down there.
Oh, look at the people going out canoeing. We'll do that tomorrow.
Yeah.
Fall in.
Let's go. But right now we're just hiking and walking.
We are really we've been trying to find a hiking trail.
Pretty much. A little harder.
But we
Expected.
may find, we may not, but at least we found where we'll camp tomorrow, so that's good.
Hey now.
So we found where people do tubing. We didn't know this. We would have carried our tubes. This would be nice. This would be nice to do.
Hey. Bird's going nuts.
So we are at Kickapoo Adventure Place. So this is how beautiful it looks.
Beautiful. My ice cream.
Look at
What
Logan.
did you get?
Yeah. So Logan.
And Logan's, that's the most beautiful ice
the
cream I've
Cookie
ever
Monster.
seen.
I just got chocolate.
Chocolate, nice. And then, since we are hungry, we got some fries to munch. And onion rings.
Wow. Those guys go. That's cool. And Betty's got to try. Here, I gotta get.
What's that?
I got a video of you trying it. It's root beer float. It's like a signature American dessert.
What is it?
It's just root beer and ice cream.
I don't even like root beer.
That's true.
Oh, shit. It's not bad.
Not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. I can feel the root beer,
Yeah.
but it's not like bad because it's just some ice cream.
Mm.
Not bad.
Enjoy, baby.
Okay.
I was gonna say vanilla and french fries are better.
I know. Oh.
Yeah.
Mystery meat.
Ooh. Oh, that didn't work.
Trying to brown it, Betty. Try it.
Nice.
What's up?
Looks done. What is it?
This knife
Maisie.
is not the right knife at all.
Yeah, it's
Good.
not.
No.
It's not the best.
I
I
almost
know.
chopped my finger off.
I know. Yeah, don't use it. Got fire going. Cutting different vases and putting them in.
Really good, huh?
You got a sample.
Irresistible.
Yeah, you got a sample.
Nice.
Good stuff.
All right, time to put this on the fire.
We're gonna fire in hell.
The fire's not too bad, so we just want to put them on top.
We'll do 3 to start. There we go.
Nice.
See how it goes?
Yeah.
We'll save 3 just in case that doesn't.
Real camping.
Woo! Real camping, baby.
Good job.
And Logan and Dad got the meat over there.
Careful.
If they don't-
Flies apart.
If they don't flop it off,
It's gonna fall in your hand.
taking forever. While we wait for Logan's buns to toast
They're done.
and my vegetables to cook.
He's ready.
There you go. There you go, sit here. The lighting's still enough.
Yeah, the lighting is so good.
So,
I get to
On
sit in
behalf
Betty's
of-
chair.
me, Logan, Julia, and Betty, we all got you guys a little something. Okay?
Yeah,
So,
good job.
feel free, dig in and figure out which one's yours and which one's not yours.
Oh
Woo!
Something small.
Whoops.
yeah? Here you go, Sarah.
Oh, those ones you just throw them.
Oh,
on
yeah,
the- That's not part of
that-
it.
Thanks a lot.
Someone threw those in there. That
These
wasn't
are
actually
fabulous.
Part of it, but yeah, you can keep those. Those are clean.
Dig in, Sarah.
These are fabulous.
One of those is yours and one of those is
Uh-oh, Mom.
That's mine.
Aww.
Yeah.
Aww.
We look forward to hearing your story since you got nothing but
Here
time.
your
and time.
storybook.
Oh, yeah.
Aww.
Good job.
Heck
I want to hear your story, huh?
Aww.
Yeah. It's all with you.
Oh my goodness.
yeah.
Oh my
make a
goodness.
book and publish it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, he's got a good idea.
Say what? The hammer?
Oh yeah, you gotta cut it. You got a pocket knife?
That's not a hammer. No, I left it at
Oh,
home.
oh, here,
Yeah,
hold on.
then
I left it at home.
Hold on.
It's a hammer.
There you go.
I can tell. Let's deal with it.
Oh.
Good job, man.
Oh, YouTube's gonna love that one.
Watch
Gotta
out,
get away from
Harvey.
himself.
Watch out,
I
Harvey.
got-
You.
You scare me.
Maisie,
Jeez.
Maisie.
Oh,
It's a
jeez.
hammer.
Yeah, you custom make it.
Yeah. Look at that beauty. Thanks for helping us build our lives. Happy retirement, Dad.
Aww.
Aww.
Aww, that's so
Excellent.
sweet.
Thanks a lot.
Oh, jeez.
Mm.
Oh my.
Yeah.
That's
I don't
that's
know
the
what queen
Yeah.
retired, but
It's all you.
The queen.
Oh my gosh, that's so fun. Oh, look at you.
I'm fanning the grill. Trying to get some
too cute.
Food
Thank
cooked
you very
here.
much.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh,
What does the other side say? If you can what?
What's that?
If you can read this, the queen is retired.
Ah, nice. I like it. Like it.
Nice.
That's golden hour. That's beautiful.
Beautiful
Golden
location.
hour.
Beautiful location with a beautiful family.
What's the last
Come
one?
through the woods.
Yeah. Knock down a tree.
Oh, the last thing is funny. Yeah, this is actually a really good gift and thoughtful, but it may or may not be damaged.
It's it's partly
Oh, they
broken.
broke the handle off.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's fine. We'll get another
Yeah,
one.
you can hold it. It probably won't be too hot.
You gotta read it.
Okay, how's your food?
I like that. That's really good. These are amazing vegetables, campfire and charcoal grill cooked. Same with the Hoffman cheesesteak here. Because we don't have cheese on it.
Just mayonnaise.
Marinade, yeah. Those are all really good though.
And then
The mushrooms?
The mushroom is so
Mushrooms.
good. That's my favorite.
Isn't it so good?